Hello again, it's Boris Palma here with Country Chevrolet, bringing you another edition of our Pick of the Week. We're up here at our service and reconditioning center, a few miles from our main store, where we just received this new arrival for our Pick of the Week. It's a beautiful 2022 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 Trail Boss Edition, and today we're going to get into the specifics on this truck that makes it pretty unique in the Silverado lineup. Let's check it out. Okay, so jumping right in. The Trail Boss has a list of exterior features to make it unique. You'll love the exclusive black grille with red recovery points integrated into the front bumper, premium gloss black alloy wheels, color matched front and rear bumpers. Additionally, the Trail Boss includes a rugged 2-inch factory suspension lift, giving more clearance and more aggressive stance, adding to the sporty appearance of this truck. And the Trail Boss also includes an auto lock and rear differential to complete the package. This truck is based on the LT Custom model and is a C71 off-road for the ultimate all-terrain performance. As a Silverado Custom, you'll see the most notable changes in the headlight group, which offers the halogen-style headlight unit rather than the alternate LED option. And many of our Chevy enthusiasts love this option as more reminiscent in style of the previous Silverados over the years. The Z71 package includes underbody skid plate protection, along with the hill descent control and an added heavy-duty air filter system useful when traveling on the dusty off-road terrain. Lastly, on the interior, our large touchscreen display with included Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear backup camera, and much more. Come down to our store today to see this beast for yourself, or click on the link below to see the complete listing below. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram to get daily updates of our inventory right in your news feeds. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection and savings meet small town hospitality. Thanks for watching.